Alright, so in this video, we're going to be showing what an enemy encounter might be looking like. We're going to create our first little basic enemy. So here on source, we're going to add class. I'm just going to name it enemy. And like I said, I always got to drag it into source every time, at least on my version. So it's in the same place as all the other files. Now, in enemy.h, we have our class enemy. We're going to keep this similar to the player. This video is going to be pretty short, so we're going to put public. Then we'll put std string, and we go ahead and include under pragma once. Make sure you have that. We're going to include string. Now we'll do std string. If I can type it, we'll make this name. And max health equals 0, and current health equals 0. It's going to be similar to the player. And damage equals 0. Now we'll do void create basic enemy. So we'll be creating a function here to create one. I'm just going to create that function in the enemy CPP. And in here, we'll do it easy. We'll just see, we're going to be making this more advanced in the future, but we're just trying to get something on screen. So we're going to put name equals zombie. Max health equals 50. Current health equals max health. And damage equals 5. And that's all we do to it there. Now we're going to go back to our main. Now we're going to say when we go to playing, we'll just go ahead and make this happen. So of course it'll be a lot different than this when we do it, when we actually get everything set up fully, but I'm just showing you simplified version at the top. Let's go ahead and include our enemy.h. Alright, so for now on playing, we're just going to go to enemy. Then we'll do enemy.create basic enemy. And now we're going to just show the encounter. So we'll go print. Right. Now we're going to do this right in color. So a wild enemy appears. Then we can do our color red here. Let's go ahead and add 2 new lines there after it appears. Then we'll do print. Let's do right. Then we'll do enemy. Put a space there. Now we'll do right color. We'll do enemy dot name. So we'll pass in, and we'll pass in color yellow, like so. I'm just going to add a new line like that below it. Then I'll do print right health. So we're going to be displaying what we're looking at. Then we'll do print right, because it's we'll have to do std. Let me see, std, there we go, to string like that. Enemy dot current health plus new line like that. Now we'll do print again, and we'll write our choices 1 to attack, 2 to run. And now we'll just do int choice equals, or now we'll create int choice, and then we'll say stdcn choice. Then we'll say if choice is equal to 1, then we'll go print, right, you attacked the enemy. I think I can also do this. Like so. And I can just say else if choice is equal to 2, print, where's it at? Need to put right. You ran away like a coward. Now our new line. Now we're still going to let it exit afterwards, but this is showing how combat might go. So let's go ahead and we got a new game. We picked the mage. You chose the mage. 1 to continue. A wild enemy appears. It's the zombie. Has 50 health. We attack it. Attack the enemy zombie. I'm just going to add this in. The enemy zombie. And now I'll also do enemy dot current health minus equals player dot damage. Did we not add damage onto our player? Let me see. We did not. So while I can hard code it for now, just to simulate it, minus equals 10. Now I'm just going to copy this. We add a new line there. Let me see. Just going to add a space there. Don't think I can do that. I think to be able to do this, I have to do std to string. Now, yep. Now it's all string. Now this can be added to it. Now that we got this, this should actually display a little something. See how this goes so we can simulate some damage. New game, we picked the warrior. A wild zombie appears. It has 50 health. So we attack it. You attack the enemy zombie. The enemy's health is now 40. And now it exits. as it should, because this is just a sample combat of what combat can be like. That should be good for now. But yeah, this is basically how the combat's going to look. We're going to be a rogue. See, we ran away like a coward. Just add another new line there. Like for the formatting to be nice. And of course, if you want the health to be green, you know, you could do the enemy's health is now. And you could just separate this, put this on a new line, and use the right to color function. But this is good enough for now. I hope you guys like this video, like how it's coming along. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.